What's up, everybody? This is Love for the Streets, and you're watching The Ride Along.
Ride with us, slide with us, come vibe with us. Stay cruising with real hitters and dime pieces. Ain't nobody else comparing to the things we on. You got love for the streets, why don't you ride along? Ride with us, slide with us, come vibe with us. Stay cruising with real hitters and dime pieces. Ain't nobody else comparing to the things we on. You got love for the streets, why don't you ride along?
Okay, everybody, so today we're out here in the city of Norwalk and we're featuring this beautiful car, and I'm gonna let the owner introduce himself and the car.
This is Mikey, aka Miklo, and this is my 67 Camaro.
All right, so let's go.
Let's go.
All right, brother, let's take a little dip. Oh, yeah, push the start?
Yeah, push the start, brother.
Está chingón el pinche carro, Miklo,
That's
neta,
yeah. No, thanks for having me, brother. Appreciate it, man.
No, that's, to me, it's like, you know how I see it, like, to me, it's to show a different culture. Like, even though it's still the car scene.
Yeah.
What do you listen to when you're
Charino Sanchez.
old school?
Old school, yeah.
But you like a little bit of the new school.
Everything, brother.
Yeah.
Every music.
I think that when you're able to appreciate music, right, like, you can listen to new English, Spanish, whatever, you know, like whatever the mood is, yeah.
Whatever, brother. Rock, anything.
All right, so tell me a little bit about the car. How long have you had it? You know what?
I've had it for 10 years, roughly 10 years, give or take. It was a solid car to begin with. It's just me dejó tirado and just went from fixing the carburetor to the floor up. You know,
So you were driving it and it broke down and you just said, I'm gonna redo the whole car.
yeah.
All right. Let's try that. So you repainted. How was the body on it?
Body was good.
Yeah, no, not a lot of rust.
No, nothing, brother.
It was a car from here, from California?
Yeah, it was a Cali car.
Right.
Yeah.
What engine do you have in it, though?
It's a 427 ZL1 all aluminum. It's a Copo edition motor. They're made 427 of them. I got number 74.
Oh, all right. So, like, for people that know engines, that's a very it's rare for you to have that,
And,
right?
Yeah, a lot of them were shipped out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What's the name of the color that you have on it? Is it or when you painted it? Like, I know it's a custom color, right? It's not like something that you could just, it didn't come stock, right?
It came stock from the dealer. Cadillac came out with it 2012.
Oh, okay.
It's a gray metallic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it's a GM.
It's a GM color. Yeah.
All right.
And if you don't, it's hard to tell. Some people, when they see the car, they think it's a one solid color, but it's it's two-tone.
I know. I was tripping out because I didn't realize that it was a two-tone, because like the way, the painter, the way he separated it was like very like, which is dope, like you gotta get up to it, and it's like you kind of force people to say no, like arrímense, like get closer so you can see the paint job. Like, it's not just a regular paint job, What about the interior, dog? Who did your interior? Like,
That's good. He's a really good man. His name's Alfredo Custom Interiors out there in North Long Beach. He's off of Artesia and Paramount. In the back. Really cool people.
And he did everything, your dashboard. You got a little sound system in it and everything, huh? That's cool. Now, what's up with the wheels? What size are the wheels, or what?
I got 20s in the back, 20 by 12s.
Oh. Wide, huh?
Yeah, 7-inch lips.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, and 19s in the front. Intros.
Oh, okay. reason why you went with that look? You like that, like?
I tubbed it out, Detroit Speed.
Oh,
tub.
right.
So all my suspension is Detroit Speed. So they got tubs. So we tubbed it out, and I wanted a big rim in the back. It almost looked like a Hot Wheel, you know.
So the suspension is custom también.
Yeah, suspension's custom.
So you hit the corners, fucking.
Yeah, it's pro touring.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
For people that know, pues that's top of the line right there, that for Camaros, huh? What are some of the other custom things that you did to the car, though? Like as far as like the exterior, like the outside.
The hood, I designed it.
Yeah. You think he recorded it? No.
Should we tell him?
O sea, si quieres allá mejor en la front street, que se pare y que nos...
I just wanted to see your reaction.
Yeah.
He's gonna have to put that.
Yeah. That's the beauty of it, you know, that I think that to us is like I was telling you earlier, that it's just like something that's, you leave it in history, though, you know, like.
That's me, brother. I have fun with it, brother.
Yeah, well, you have to, though. How you not gonna have a toy like this and not have fun with it, though? Like,
people tell me, hey, the rock chips. Get rock chips, nigga. Yeah, so I threw you off on the hood.
Yeah.
So the hood, they actually sell it at Classic Industries.
Okay.
But it's a Copo hood. But I designed it the front. I told my painter how I wanted it. That's how he made it for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So he like custom fabricated.
Custom fabricated, yeah.
All right. And then you did like a little flare on the by the yeah, también eso, huh? Like I noticed that. What else did you do, like as far as exterior?
Exterior, the doors. I have 68 doors. It's an original 67 RS. But I did 68 doors on it because I like the big window.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So the what is it? It has the windows gone, the little window.
Yeah.
Hey, si andamos de contrabando de todos modos, ¿sabes? Está bien, la neta, el pinche carro está chingón, güey. I noticed, what's your point of view, dog, as far as like when you build a car, or when you have like something like this, like a hobby like this, like you think it's good for your family? Does it include family? Does it, you know, what's your take on it? Like,
bro, if it wasn't for this car, you know, it's just me and my son. We go out cruising. I've
seen your son actually.
That's how we met.
Yeah.
You recorded my son, and I tell my son, take it out. You know.
So people know the story. Like I was pumping gas. I seen the 67 black, a beautiful Camaro. But I don't really, like me honestly though, like I can't tell the years. I like
right.
the 67, 68, 69. Like I just know that they're between those years, right? So I seen a kid pumping gas, and I'm like, whoa! Like I thought it was a trip because he was like a youngster. You know, was he like 18?
18 at the time.
Yeah. So I go up to him and I told him, hey, can I record it? And he's like, yeah. You know, and I posted it on social media, and I got like a sick ass reaction. Like everybody was like, damn, you know. And it's a trip because, you know, our following is mostly lowrider people, or like the lowrider like side, but they're able to appreciate that. Which those are the people that I could talk to, because I'm like that too. I could appreciate a nice car, like regardless if it's a lowrider or not. Like,
right.
You know?
Yeah, and then he was happy. You know, and I told him, I go, take it out. You know, some people are afraid their kids to take out their cars. Yeah. You know, I'm different. You know, take it out, mijo.
No, and especially if he's a responsible kid, exactly. And you know, why not? You know, because ultimately it motivates them to say like, damn, you know, like that's to me it's important. Family to me is very important. So I always look at it like the car is like an extension of a unity between, obviously you have a son, but if you have daughters, if you have your wife, you know, your dad, you know, whatever. So it's always an extension of it, like just like something to do together, you know. You like to go to cruise nights and all that?
Oh yeah, bro. I
what does your wife think about the car?
The car gets more attention sometimes, you know. But
So this is your what did it say, like your Sancha right here, right?
yes, yeah, you could say that. Sancha.
That's badass. Is there any other car that you would like to build, like another type of car, like another whole different project that you would like to do?
The cars that I would like, a Chevy, but I really like the new style that's coming out, the low rock.
Oh yeah.
Like a 61.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 61.
It's like with the bigger wheels, but
Bigger
with the
wheels.
old school, like yeah.
And some hydros, you know,
Yeah, yeah.
some hydraulics on it.
Airbags maybe.
Yeah,
to
airbags.
kind of lower it, lift it, yeah. Yeah, a lot of people like those, and I like them too. Personally, I like them too because it's just, you know, taking an old car and just giving it a new, like fresher, like, you know, new look. Huh? Any other hobbies that you're into though?
Guns, brother.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you want to put that, but
No, hey. I'm into them too, though.
Yeah,
I'm all for the Second Amendment too, though. So you know what I mean? I'm all for that. So por eso yo digo, like, I know the whole like controversy and this and that, but you're like,
you know, as long as you treat you teach your family safety is always first.
yeah.
You know.
My kids know though. Like, it's just like for sure, like they know, like, hey, this is not a toy. You know, I take you guys shooting. You guys understand that, you know, it's not just something that you pick up and you just, you know, they know like how to handle it. Like if they grab my gun, they know not to put their hand on the finger on the trigger, but then it's not pointed at somebody. All the right safety. You know? Anything else that you would like to do to the car that you think?
I'll probably end up throwing some new rims on it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, some new rims and maybe give it a better stance.
Yeah.
I think it's a little high.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So you like that low look?
Yeah. That's what's in right now.
Yeah. Alright, so there you have it. Miklo, once again, thank you very much, brother.
Thank you, brother.
I appreciate you. Have a very beautiful car.
Thank you, man.
And, you know, I hope to see you soon. And appreciate it, bro.
Thank you for having me, brother.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, everybody. So there you have it. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share this video, and stay tuned for next week's episode. It's going to have another beautiful car. See you guys next time. How does having your car now finished, you know, to this point, like, has that brought you and your dad closer?
Yeah,
You think so?
a lot closer. I mean, we've always been close since I was little, but it's a great feeling to have what I used to look up to, or what I do look up to, and what I did put together in one show, like, or cruising, me right behind them, or
Yeah,
him behind me. It's a different feeling. It's like the best feeling in the world.
Ride with us, slide with us, come vibe with us. Stay cruising with real hitters and dime pieces. Ain't nobody else comparing to the things we own. You got love for the streets, why don't you ride along? Ride with us, slide with us, come vibe with us. Stay cruising with real hitters and dime pieces. Ain't nobody else comparing to the things we own. You got love for the streets, why don't you ride along?